Happy birthday to me.
Hello, Reagan.
No.
Reagan is 1 year old today. She just blew out the candle. She's eating her first cupcake. Get out of the way, please. Reagan, is that cupcake good?
Yes, ma'am.
Is that cupcake good?
When can we have a cupcake?
In just a second. Reagan, is that yummy? Uh-oh. Daddy, she dropped half of it.
Oh, no.
Uh-oh.
Now she's gonna have a dough.
Oh, boy.
Oh boy.
Oh, goodness. We got icing all over our
But it's
legs.
okay, it's her birthday.
That's right. Say, oh, yeah.
She loves that cupcake.
No, don't stuff it in her mouth, Matt. Is that yummy? She wants some more, Daddy.
It's out of your lap anyway. There you go.
In just a second. Is that yummy?
Is that yummy? Hi.
Is that yummy cupcake?
It's yummy for my tummy.
Oh, that looks so good.
Mm-mm.
Can you say, mm-mm-mm?